The struggle to get a foothold in this society and to break all norms has encouraged Sheetal Rajput, a mother of two, to complete her education 16 years post-marriage.
मेरी 10वीं हुई तो एक विषय गैप रह गया था मेरा और शादी हो गई और शादी के 16 साल बाद मैंने वो एक विषय निकाल के 12वीं अभी पिछले साल कंप्लीट करी और इस साल बीए में हूँ। उसके हिसाब से हमें अभी जो नॉलेज मिल रहा वो पहले अगर 10-20 साल पहले मिल जाता तो आज हम कुछ करके दिखाते ही है, लेकिन आगे भी 10 साल बाद हम कुछ करके ही दिखाएंगे।
Since attending the course at the HPE Social Good Digital Classroom, Sheetal has found various avenues to innovate and use her creative ideas into businesses.
खाना बनाए उसमें रेसिपी अलग अलग देखी कि ऐसा लगता है अरे हमने कुछ अब तक कुछ सीखा ही नहीं, तो वो अलग हो जाता। पढ़ाई का करे कुछ तो उसमें भी बहुत आगे आगे जाओ तो अलग अलग रास्ते दिखते हैं और ऐसा लगता है अपन ने कुछ किया ही नहीं, किसी ने रास्ता दिखाया ही नहीं।
With a vision to transform and digitally empower India one individual at a time, the digital classroom set up under the HPE Social Good Initiative has created a sense of hope and confidence among aspiring students from the economically backward section of society for a brighter future.
Through our e-education program into the school, we have deployed and educated more than 85,000 students through these things. And again, these are the students who doesn't have the capability and also they are underprivileged and they don't have the access to the sufficient infrastructure from the technology and IT standpoint.
An easy and compact setup, the digital classrooms have made an impact far and wide. By word-of-mouth publicity, local mobilization drives from village to village, the HPE Social Good Initiative is making its mark one student at a time.
मोबिलाइजेशन जब हम करते हैं वो उनको जाते हैं घर घर जाके या कोई कम्युनिटी में प्रोग्राम रहता है वहाँ पे जाके उनको बताते हैं कि आपके लिए ये कोर्स है और ये कोर्स में हमें फ्री कॉस्ट रहता है। उनको हम जाके बताते हैं कि आपको इस कोर्स से करके क्या फ़ायदा होने वाला है। उनको हम या सेंटर पे बुला के उनको पढ़ाते हैं, उसके बाद उनको सर्टिफिकेट भी देते हैं। तो कुछ टेलरिंग काम हो या कुछ बनाना हो, हाथ से बनाना कुछ बनाना हो तो वो देख सकते हैं, यूट्यूब पे आके यहाँ पे सीख सकते हैं। और कुछ स्टूडेंट हैं उनको जॉब के लिए है या कोई मेल आईडी बनाना है, क्या सीखना है, तो तरह तरह की चीज़ें हैं ना यहाँ पे आके वो सीखते हैं और उनको अच्छा लगता है और पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है यहाँ से।
At HP, our vision is to advance the way people live and work, and that is the guiding philosophy around everything that we do under corporate social responsibility. Our global citizenship charter comes under something which we call Living Progress, and the other part where HPE works is the HPE Foundation.
So reinvesting in the society where we live and work is a primary belief of everyone at HPE. This belief and the related responsibility is shared equally by all employees.
Spanning across states and regions, the HPE digital classrooms have seen a tremendous response from students.
We started working with HP for the community service projects since 2013-14, and finally we came up with a digital classroom at Dhaurar in I think 4 to 5 years back. And since then, I will say it has really transformed lives of many. And it primarily focuses on 3 aspects. One being giving the basic knowledge of the computers. Second is going a little ahead, where we say Saksharta. First program is called Pratham, second is Saksharta, and the third is where we empower them to give them some vocational training.
For any social initiative, it is important and necessary to have the right kind of funding available to develop and sustain a program.
We also support the operating expenses of these digital classrooms to ensure site sustainability, as well as support to the underprivileged classes of our society.
For HPE, the Social Good Initiative is all about giving back to the society.
Similarly, in the space of education, we have partnered with governments and leading NGOs in providing digital literacy as well as skill building. With the help of third-party agencies, we have built many digital classrooms and learning centers, across the country.
So we spend the first year in terms of deploying the solution, operationalizing it, and then we hand this over to the government, and the government continues to facilitate some of these centers year in, year out. So that's the model that we engage with the government today. Now there are multiple advantages. The government is a very key partner here only because of the fact that they have the reach and the influence in some of these remote areas. And it's also a win-win, as in it's a win for HPE because it helps us serve our goals, and it also helps the government create employment opportunities for some of these rural areas, because doctors, technicians are required to run some of these facilities, and it really helps them out quite a bit.
In the smart classrooms, it improves learning ability. You can use, it's right from the edge to the core to the cloud platform. It allows you a lot of sharing of knowledge. You can target knowledge to the specific kids what they want to learn. You can also do a lot of security solutions and make the classroom secure using our video analytics things. We can also do things like automating the mundane work that a teacher has to do, so that teacher can focus only on learning of the kids.
The HPE Social Good initiative has transformed the way New India dreams and is enabling them to turn their aspirations into reality, one individual at a time.